Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about Python. So what is Python? It is popular language created by Judo van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, system scripting, etc. So why we should choose Python? Because it works on different platforms like Windows, Linux, Raspberry Pi, Mac OS, etc. Python has simple syntax, similar to English language with fewer lines of code. It runs on interpreter system, means that code can be executed as it is written. Python can be written in integrated development environment such as IDLE, PyCharm, NetBeans, Thorny, etc. Python syntax comparison. Python uses new line to complete command, while other programming languages uses semicolon or parenthesis. Scope of Python is defined by indentation, such as scope of loops, function, and classes, while other programming languages use curly brackets. Python was designed for readability. So, why the name Python? Judo Van Rossum was reading the published scripts from Monty Python's Flying Circus. It is a BBC comedy series since from 1970s. He thought he needed the name that was short, unique, so he decided to call language as Python.